Behind me is the brand new Bintang supermarket in Seminyak in Bali. It's not open yet, however, seems like it's gonna be open in the very near future. From outside looks pretty nice, pretty impressive, I could say. Of course, this is just the market shop, but many of you are familiar, and missing this place was burned out completely in 2019 or 2020, I don't remember exactly. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks like in Seminyak, Bali. Enjoy, guys. It was raining before. This is the Seminyak Petit Tenget next to the forge and few other shooters and stuff like this. Popular places in Seminyak. Actually, this is the center of Seminyak. On the Petit Tenget side, here is the Pinky restaurant, was also very famous, very popular some time ago. Anyway, as I mentioned, it was raining earlier today, and now it's still cloudy. Sunday afternoon, about 5:30 p.m, middle of February 2022. And life is going very slowly in Bali, in Seminyak, anywhere, everywhere elsewhere in Bali, going very slowly, but it's been a while when I was last time in Seminyak on the main streets, so why not make a little vlog today into that area, obviously, right? So here is Canvas. This is the place where we made the video with the blue walls on the thumbnail. We are talking about the hotels. That was the place for everyone who are interested. And this is already the area of the many fancy places like Shishibari, W Seminyak Hotel, and Imani Rooftop. There will be Potato Head somewhere here. I think Potato Head entrance is here. Red Rabbi. Many places. For any of you who ever been in Bali and stay in Seminyak area, probably you was somewhere in this area, and you have a lot of memories from that places. Also, I'm pretty sure as many of you who used to staying here, this is the Potato Head, have memories, as was actually pretty busy and alive on the streets. This is the Sunday, end of the weekend. It's definitely supposed to be some action around, but currently it's quite hard to find any action on any other days, not even mention on weekdays. So yeah, of course you could say as the weather is not really good, but reality is like that. This is the situation like that is almost every day already since the past 2 years. Of course it was worse than that. This is the Alila in Seminyak. Interesting fact, this hotel is for sale. If you're interested to buy it, here we go. Mano. There is the entrance to Petit Tenget Beach. I used to vlog with Winnie in Petit Tenget Beach a few weeks ago. Also, weather was not so good. Well, in general, weather nowadays is not so good. We used to come here, vlog into this, having a coffee actually over here in the neon palms at the front. For everyone who are familiar and missing these places, this is for you, a little bit like a memorial vlog, actually, I could say. Motel Mexicola, actually, I'm also not sure if Motel Mexicola is open. They have some lights, but no, the doors are closed. Motel Mexicola, unfortunately, is closed, folks. And this is Sunday afternoon, can you believe that? And places like this one are closed. So, unfortunately, not really much is happening around in Bali right now. Also, yesterday some owners of one of the restaurant in Sanur, they text me and ask me, Damian, you are always everywhere around. This is only in Sanur, the owner of the restaurant in Sanur. This is only Sanur so quiet, or everywhere around is so quiet? And well, what I can say, everywhere around is quiet, no matter actually where you are. Okay, Canggu may be slightly more arrived, but also Canggu supposed to be super busy. Well, this is Seminyak, little bit of the backside residential area. Many also villas, private villas around here, but seems like really not much is happening. Its rain was like 3 hours ago, so it's not like just finished. The street is already dry. Anyway, a few restaurants here, mostly on the left. Sister Fields, Bossman Burgers, and so on, little mall, Seminyak village mall. And this is the Hanover center of Seminyak, and this actually is literally Seminyak, because Seminyak have two parts, Seminyak and Seminyak Petit Tengat. So this is the Seminyak, and we are going now into left into the Kaya Ayu Street, which is called also Eat Street. Well, officially it's Kaya Ayu Street, but people calling this Eat Street, mostly because here is so many restaurants on the left and on the right. So many bars, restaurants, places to having a good time. Also boutiques, tattoo shops, and any other activities. But restaurants, starting from Greek restaurants like this one, a lot of Italian restaurants, Western restaurants, also some local restaurants, a lot of restaurants just in general. I don't want to mention too many times word restaurant, but yeah. And also, if you're not familiar about this area of Seminyak, this street at that time, especially on Sunday night, it was as that busy as you couldn't even drive here. It was like a traffic for 1 hour. You were stuck here in 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer road for 2 hours, 1 hour in the traffic jam, and it was just literally quicker to walk, like walking, just simply slowly walking, than driving. So also was so hard to park. It was even hard to find this place in the restaurant, you know what I mean, guys? Like so many restaurants was the full booked, full house. So if you forgot to make a reservation earlier, was sometimes not possible to get a seat in the restaurant. However, that was just past. It's just memory right now. Even the small shops struggle a lot. And well, middle of February 2020, one more time, just to remind you, and it's really not much is happening around. Just come here to show you this area, because so many requests show me this area of Bali, of Seminyak. Here you go, guys. But there's really not that much to show walking, that's why I'm driving slowly. La Favela, famous place, and Red Carpet, also famous place. Even Red Carpet is open, I think, or maybe even not open. However, it's that quiet as it's even very hard to find out if the place is open or closed. So guys, let me know when you was here last time in Bali, and how was the situation at that time when you were here last time in Bali. I believe most of you remember these times when I was super busy. Of course, some of you already come in Bali and they are right now, so you can also experience it by yourself. This restaurant only here is kinda busy. And this is the end of the Kayayu Street, of the Eat Street. And you can hit now going right into Seminyak and Legian area. Little traffic here only just because two cars park on the left and on the right on the same spot. And if you're gonna go right here into this road where I'm heading right now, you can go to other parts of Seminyak and obviously Legian, Kuta, up to Kuta beach or airport, going just this into this road. And briefly, that's how it looks situation today in Seminyak, Bali, Indonesia. Of course, some of you could say it's rainy, that's why it's so quiet or general. Many of you used to remember how it looks situation, and any of you also watching me every single day since the past almost 2 years. So you can comment below what do you think about the current situation, what do you think in general about the situation in the world. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed, and stuff like this, you know, with YouTube, subscribe, like, share, blah blah. And as always, I will see you on next one. See ya, take care guys, take care.